been very, very loud for the past couple of months.
Ben Mulesness is talking about this. Mulesness, who lives in Belmont Gardens near Karlov and Oakdale, recorded this sound while inside his apartment on December 3rd.
Kind of like a low, steady hum. Sometimes it'll be more of a throbbing noise. It kind of sounds like a spaceship or something.
He says he followed that noise here and shot this video. The location, the Fields Studios at Karlov and George.
It's been pretty unsettling. It's just something that is always there, and you can hear it while you're inside, even watching a movie or eating dinner. It's just sort of frustrating.
I reached out to 31st Ward Alderman Felix Cardona Jr., and he says he's well aware of this problem. He's received numerous phone calls and emails, and he says the noise is coming from this building's boiler, and that boiler needs parts.
These parts are not just parts that you could get at a Home Depot or Menards. They have to be ordered out. An engineer has to come, measure, do all the analysis of it. And then plus, once they get it, an engineer has to put it back in place. So it's a whole process. There's blueprints and things like that.
The manager of the Fields Studios told us the problem was fixed late this afternoon.
It's actually gone today. It's very quiet. I had a neighbor describe it to our kind of text chain as the quiet being so loud because you can finally go back to normal life. So I appreciate you guys coming out, taking an interest in what's been happening in the neighborhood, and I appreciate the work of the aldermen to help us out.
In Belmont Gardens, Suzanne Lemignot, CBS News, Chicago.